What's the meaning of current account? Current account. Current account.
Current account. Current account. A current account is a type of bank account that enables individuals and businesses to manage their daily financial transactions. It allows for the deposit of funds, as well as the withdrawal of funds via various methods such as checks, debit cards, and online transactions. Additionally, current accounts often come with overdraft facilities, which allow the account holder to withdraw more funds than currently available in the account, subject to certain limits and fees. Overall, current accounts provide a convenient and flexible way to manage day-to-day financial activities.